guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna learn how to bike. First, wear your helmet, use a uniform, and wear rubber shoes. And then I'm ready to bike. Can you go a little faster? Faster. So this street, Prino gamay, Prino. O, sige, diretso lang. Have many motorists, so you have to slow down, oh. Go first. Go at the side. Mate! Hinay lang, slowly. Here you go first. Go at the side. So if there are more lanes, you go at the side lane. You're safe at the side. So we're here in Barutac Nuevo. So we have to proceed there to our destination. Dito na kami sa aming destination. Dito kami mag-train. This is new constructed road, so wala pa masyadong dumadaan ng mga sasakyan. So first, speed muna yung ituturo ko sa kanya kasi hindi pa siya gaano mabilis, tsaka medyo natatakot pa siya. So Allison, stop and I will tell you what to do. You have to bike from here to there with the bilisan mo lang kunti ang speed mo kasi wala naman masyadong sasakyan, and then you come back. Okay? To practice the brakes. Okay, let's go there and take brake. Okay, let's go. At least when you have to learn about the shifting of gears. If you want na ano siya, kasi yung hangin we're against the wind, so ilagay mo siya sa malambot na gear. Dito sa malambot. Listen, you change gear. So what happened? And now
now for speed. Okay? Faster, little more. Faster. Faster. Okay. We're here, Highway 4 restaurant. So it's along Tabucan, Barotac Nuevo. So we're hungry. Let's eat. So let's see kung what we're going to order. So they have different foods. Highway 4. Batchoy. May batchoy. Duwa lang ka ang special. Oo, duwa ka special batchoy. Oo. So this is Highway 4 along Tabucan, Barotac Nuevo. While waiting for our order, we ordered lapas batchoy. So dito na yung batchoy namin. Let's taste with matching bagoong and some puto. Okay, let's eat. So the taste is okay. Batchoy is Ilonggo food. If you want to try this bagoong, it's a spicy. Pwede mo siya ilagay. Pwede mo siyang lagyan. So, spicy siya. Masarap ang sabaw. Oh my God. So, we are going home. Medyo mainit na, so need na namin mag-rest. Kaya, uwian na. So, kamusta? Pakiramdam? How do you feel? Yeah. How'd you feel?
Yes, I'm good.
Not tired?
Yeah.
So, what do you learn sa practice natin? You learn about what?
I learned about the biking.
your
I learned about the shifting speed and brakes.
and how about your speed? Mabilis na ba? Mabilis na? Okay, so that's it for now ang training. So next time again, we will going to climb a hill. So okay for you? Okay.
Like and subscribe in our video.